Hey guys, it's Kieran, and today in this video we're going to be doing some sensory activities. Sensory activities are really fun and interesting for babies, but they're also very beneficial in that they help them build connections and grow. So let's get right into it. The first DIY project that we were doing is water and sponges. Cameron really likes the sponges. Ain't that right, Toodle? It's pretty basic. All you will need is sponges, of course, a container. We just have this white bowl here, some water, and then I just have scissors to cut up the sponges. Thank you. So first we're gonna make sure the sponges are cut up. There's no way you really have to cut them. You just cut them however you'd like. So now that we have all the sponges cut up, we're just going to add everything to the bowl. Do a little more water. So now we're going to put all of the sponges in the bowl. Do you want to help me? Can you put them in here? Or you want to take them out? You want to take them out? Yeah, good job. And then it's just pretty simple. Then he can just kind of play with them. This sensory activity is very good for babies to learn the different textures. You can also do this in the bath instead of doing it in a bowl, so it's not as messy. Because as you can see, Cameron's getting water everywhere and wants to eat it. Yay! For our next sensory activity for baby Cam, we're going to be making sand. We're using graham crackers and oatmeal. I've seen other people use Cheerios mashed up, so whatever you prefer is your decision. And then you just need a container. This is the biggest container we had, but of course any size doesn't matter. You're just gonna blend everything together, the graham cracker and oatmeal. Put everything in here. So we're gonna add oatmeal. Obviously, we're using graham cracker and oatmeal to make the sand because Cameron and most babies are gonna try to put it in their mouth. So obviously we don't want them putting real sand in their mouth. And this is a safe and fun way, and it's delicious to them to enjoy it. And we'll put some toys in the bin along with it. Okay, and let's give it a blend, and then we can add more graham cracker. So I will just add the sand into this container. That's a perfect amount for Toodle. And that way you can play in it. Isn't that great? What is that? Is that sand? He's a little confused. Nummies. Is that good? Do you approve? Cameron really just enjoys eating it, so I tried to put more toys in there for him to play with, but he just wants to throw them out. For our last sensory activity for baby Cam, we're going to be doing edible finger painting. So we have yogurt, we have some cups to mix everything in, and then different colors of food dye. And then we got a shower curtain liner. You can really get anything. We just got that because it's big and plastic, something we can just throw away afterwards. And so let's get started. So I'm gonna put about 2 spoonfuls of vanilla yogurt in each cup. So now I'm going to add food coloring, a couple drops of each color into their own cup. I did 3, we'll see how that looks. Ooh. Might do a little more. Just kind of do it to what you'd like it to be. Okay. Okay. Now we're gonna lay out the shower curtain liner so Cameron can paint. We'll see if he does. He might not. Yeah, get in there. Oh, you don't like the taste of that. Is that good? Look. Look at the colors. That's it for today, guys. Thanks for watching. Feel free to like and subscribe. And if you have any sensory activities that we didn't share, feel free to list them in the comments so we can see them. Peace.
Holding on to what I know, to everything I've learned, what is real and fabricated, what is wrong, what is my problem, what can I get out of this?